it's Mary. Welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my backspin tutorial, the advanced version. Be sure to check out part 1 if you haven't already, and let's get to it. For the advanced backspin, we are going to have a new pattern on the line, consisting of 2 views. We're going to start off on the nice forward inside edge, left arm in front, and keep that left arm in front. Then we're gonna push off of the T position into the hook. For the beginner version of this, let's start off with our arms in a hook position again. We're not gonna have as much speed as when we have our arms open. We'll get to that later, but it's gonna teach us the fundamentals. Notice how my first U is a forward inside edge. Second U, start off with the T position. Pick that left leg up. Don't let that leg drag on the ice. We're going to start off on the middle of the blade and feel that 3 turn. That is the hook of our spin. That's going to snap us into a nice quick backspin position. When we feel that hook, we're going to rock up to the ball of our foot, the sweet spot of the spin. So let's try it again. Same thing, hoop position, just trying to feel it out on our feet. We're focusing on strong, nice edges here to keep the speed up, not whipping our arms around. On that spin, we had 2 strong U's. We're starting off the middle of our blade. Hit that toe pick during the hook to snap us into our spin and get into that sweet spot on the ball of our foot. We have a nice hoop position. We are above our belly button, which is above our right foot, above our right. Just like in doing double and triple jumps, we are on the right side of our body. Awesome job, guys. I think we have that one down pat. We are going to try, instead of the hoop position, arms open now. So we're going to try to focus on bringing in all the speed here, guys. The wider we get, transitioning to the tighter we get. Because of physics, we're going to spin faster. So same thing on the entrance. Focus on keeping that left arm in front. Don't let it swing back. And we're going to push down on that left arm, creating some pressure. Let's break down the advanced backspin into a bunch of different steps, so then we can have a beautiful back scratch spin. I also like to review the hook into the sweet spot at the wall. Starting off with the T position. The wall exercise is a great way to introduce skaters to feeling the hook and finding that sweet spot while keeping the left arm over the left leg. Awesome job, guys. Now time to put it all together. We are going to pull in into our back scratch spin. Now let's put together the beginner position, which is legs together, toe next to the opposite heel, knee facing in front. Let's try the beginner scratch position with our advanced entry. Our knees, legs are going to be glued together, knees always facing forwards. Think about pulling in, pulling the ribs up, nice and tall like a pineapple wearing a crown. We are going to spin, 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 and exit gracefully. Remember to pull your arms and legs in at the same time. For the beginners, I would like to focus on pulling in to the right and tucking your elbows at the bottom. When you're more advanced, you can feel free to pull in and push your arms up, or push your arms down and squeeze to go faster. But for now, let's focus on pulling in nice and tight over the right side, hugging over the right side of the body, elbows tucked in and facing down in our beginner position. Knees facing forward, legs glued together, opposite toe next to opposite heel. We'll know when we find that sweet spot because we'll be spinning and we won't hear any scratching. Our spin is going to be pretty silent. So the goal is to be as quiet as possible. Let's review some common mistakes. The first one is letting our left arm go crazy pants and swing away. So don't lose that left arm. Our second mistake is drawing in with our toes pointing down. Remember, we want to flex the foot to get nice and tight. If the toes are pointing down, we're not going to be as tight. When we go in, notice I lift up my left leg. Do not let that drive. That's a common mistake that will slow you down in your backspin. Here's the mistake we made. When we go into spin, I think about just brushing our arms over the pool. Be careful not to drop our arm when we enter the spin. If we do that, we're gonna tip over, like so. We also want to pull our arms and legs in at the same time. Timing is so important in skating. If our arms go in first or legs go in first, we're going to be thrown off of the center of our spin. Lastly, when we spin, be sure to keep our shoulders nice and balanced. We don't want to spin lopsided. Hope no one's too dizzy. Let's put it all together. We're going to do a scratch spin. Pull in tight, squeeze the elbows, squeeze the legs. Let's see how fast we can go. Don't spin with your hat on. Take 2, no flying objects on the ice. During our spin, remember to keep squeezing your core so you can keep the speed up throughout the whole entire spin. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and save. Thanks so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Happy skating!